Today I'm going to be making bacon and I'm going to cook it in the oven. So what I have is my disposable pan, and I have a pound of bacon. All I'm going to do is place my bacon in the pan. As you can see, I've just spread my bacon, the pound of bacon, in the disposable tray, and I'm preheating my oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to stick this in the oven, and in about 20 minutes or so, I'm going to drain whatever grease builds up in the bottom of the pan, and I will take my fork and I will pull apart the bacon so that it can cook evenly. And I'm going to continue doing that process until my bacon is well done the way we like it. It should take about an hour. All right, so it's been about 20-ish minutes, and now I'm going to drain this excess grease that's in it. And I have a container, just a plastic container that has emptied. So I'm gonna dispose of the grease in my container, and then I'm going to separate my bacon. All right, so now what I want to do is just, with my fork, separate my pieces of bacon so that I make sure it cooks evenly. Okay, I've just gone through and I've separated the bacon, and I'm going to place it back in my oven. And really, I'm just going to keep repeating this process of going in, draining the excess grease, placing it back in the oven until I get it to my desired crispiness. All right, the bacon looks fantastic. I'm just going to drain this and I'm going to enjoy it. Can't wait. As you can see, cooking the bacon in the oven is a very simple process, and I did collect a lot of grease from that. So to just let that cool, and I'll dispose of that container. As you can see, the bacon looks delicious, and I can't wait to get into this. All of that grease that I collected in my container, I will dispose of, and you can serve this with omelet, eggs, make a BLT, whatever you like. I hope you enjoy. See you next time.